Hello, welcome to this episode of our show. We've just been to Durdle Door. The reason we went to Durdle Door was because we all wanted to go to Durdle Door for a long time and we've never been to Durdle Door. So today we went to Durdle Door so we can take that off our list. And now we're off to Sandbanks?
Yeah. Via
the Sandbanks ferry. Stay tuned. That was going really well, but I felt really cringy saying stay tuned. Durdle Door. He loves it.
Thanks. Ooh,
Does change.
We're going on a boat. I think this car's only ever been on a ferry once.
To the Isle of Wight.
Look, the car might fall over.
We'll leave off. Look at the fucking Oh my god, it's too well.
Yeah, I guess it was still the car then.
I don't think it's very long.
Are they loading up now? Or?
It looks mighty choppy out there.
Oh no.
If it goes
Are
down,
you excited, gang?
We're going down as a
Yeah,
team.
I actually am quite excited. This car's not used to boating.
Well, fucking close the door.
I just did. We're moving. We're going on the ferry.
No, don't fall off.
Oh, brilliant.
That's how you do it. That's the instructions. Jump into the bacon.
You're going to have to go right.
Oh
Oh.
my fuck, no.
You're going to have to go at such
Fuck off.
an angle.
Look, I mean, I don't think I can.
Be careful. Just do it. Just do it. That was a big scrape.
It was alright though. We're on.
I'm on a boat.
How do you feel?
Scared. Will I be able to get off when moving? Can you feel it?
Oh my god, look at the houses.
Oh, wait.
Don't look at the houses, you will get seasick around.
What houses?
Over there.
Like, directly in front.
Do I turn my car off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel. Oh yeah. Okay, I can feel the
Whoa.
movement. I feel a bit woozy. Oh. You know what? Good thing your handbrake works now.
Yeah, I know.
That,
I never used to have
that'll be awkward. You mean that the edge of the boat doesn't just... Yeah, it rises up. No, wait, it doesn't, does it?
Oh yeah, Steve.
Wait, we're just going. We are on the ferry.
I feel a bit. I don't think I can drive.
It does move quite a lot.
It's quite choppy, isn't it?
it's a bit backwards and forwards. It's like you can see the roof of that house and then you can't, and then it comes back.
I'm probably not helping myself
Oh,
by
mate.
looking at the house. If I'm honest. It's probably like another car or something.
Look at the sky because it doesn't change. It's just blue.
True.
Oh, now it's side to side.
It's actually quite
I don't
choppy.
like it. Does anyone else look bothered?
Do you know what I did? I looked around and was like, everyone else is really calm.
Okay.
They don't hang about, do they? They're like, on, off, go. At least we didn't have to hang off the fucking back like that car. That Cougar was like...
He was on
hanging
like
back.
here.
What an adventure, old girl, eh?
That's nicer. No, you're done. I think you're clear.
What about this bit?
Yeah, fine. Well done. We've made it.
Oh, bump.
Oh, the sand's in my eyes. That's a real nice shot. But the sand is super in my eyes. Fuck. Oh. getting a lot of attention.
Like, they don't know this is your car. It's weird, isn't it?
But it happens all the time. Like, so
I'd have it with mine as well. Like, you park it and then it's like, you come back and I'm like, unlocking it, like, getting in it.
Lovely little growl there from the, oh, a little pop from the, is it, are they 4.5 litre?
V8?
Yeah, they are V8, those ones. That's where we came from earlier on the ferry. Some motorbikes on there actually too. I think they're getting on. Yeah, let's have a little look. Oh, ain't that sweet. There's a Mitsubishi Delica.
What would be one of the first?
Hi everyone. Georgie's left me here at the side of the road. She's just not anywhere around, so we're just taking photos. And I said, "Oh, stop in the road, and then I'll take a nice photo of the car." And she's just driven off. I thought she was going to turn around in this bit here, and then pull onto the road here, and she didn't. She's just gone. So I can't see her coming back. At least not anytime soon. Little photo shoot in the middle of the road there. Hey, tell you what, if you want to go up there and give it some beans, we can do a little sound check.
what now?
Well, you can go up that way and turn around. Yeah, it sounded really good earlier. If you want. If it's too stressful, just jump back in the car. Yeah, you can go that way. After this BMW there's a motorbike and then I think you're clear. What an exciting day we're having, isn't it exciting? Sports Uber. Hello.